Welcome to another 5-minute abs. We're gonna jump right in, 5 exercises for a minute each with no rest. Our first exercise are scissor kicks. So you're gonna be lying on your back. Make sure that you keep your lower back in contact with the ground the whole time. And you're kicking side to side. When you bring your feet together, bring one foot over the other, then out to the side, and come back in, bring the other foot over the other. We're going to be here for 1 minute. Again, make sure your back is on the ground the whole time. Keep your abs super tight. If it's too difficult to keep your back down, raise your legs a little bit higher into the air. Try to keep your legs as straight as possible, but if you have to, a slight bend in the knees is okay. You're doing great. Keep it up for a few more seconds. Remember, lower back down, in contact with the ground, legs as straight as you can. Great job, and we're going to transition now into oblique reaches. So get up onto your knees, extend one leg to the side, and you're going to be reaching to the other side. You're using your straight leg to counterbalance you, so you can reach as far as you can to one side, and then use your abs to pull yourself back upright. So reach as far as you can to one side until your extended foot is almost off the ground, coming to the edge of your balance here, and then back up. If this is tough on your knee, feel free to place a pillow or another soft surface underneath it. Great job, we're going to be here for a few more seconds and then switch sides. Awesome job, go ahead and switch, extending the other leg now. And again, reaching as far as you can to the side until you're barely in a balance. Your foot almost coming off the ground. And then pull yourself back up with your obliques into an upright position. Then reaching out again, going as far down as you can, 1 minute here. Great job, just a few more seconds, and then we're going to transition again into crunches. Great job, so just regular crunches here, lie on your back again. I like to place my arms behind my head and get your feet up into the air, knees bent. Use your abs to crunch up as high into the air as you can, and then slowly lower yourself back down. Your head is supported by your hands, and keep your elbows back, pulling your chest forward with your abs, and back. Awesome job with that, a few more seconds, and then we'll get into our last exercise, a high to low plank. Beautiful, moving into our last minute of abs. So get into a plank position on your elbows, and leading with either hand, the right or the left, come up first on one hand and then the other into a plank on your hands, and then back down to your elbows. Switch your leading hand each time, so come up with your right, then down with your right, and then come up starting with your left hand and down with your left, switching back and forth like this for a minute. Also, whenever you push up to your hands, make sure your hands are directly below your shoulders, not too far out in front, that's just going to make it harder. And then coming back down to your elbows, so your elbows are directly below your shoulders. So you want to get your arm completely off the ground each time you're transitioning. One more thing to remember here is to keep your shoulders and hips square to the ground. So try not to sway from side to side at all. I know it's tempting to try to get your weight on one side of your body, to help leverage you up and down, but try to keep your whole body still here, just your arms working, pushing you up and lowering you slowly back down. Awesome job, and we're finished. That's it. 5-minute abs, quick and easy. Well, maybe not easy, but simple. And you can do abs every day. So if you'd like to come back and check out some of my other 5-minute ab videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I upload at least one video a week. And thank you for joining me today. I'll see you next time.